yung mga abangan sa inyo next year?
Well, expect na may album po next year. And world tour, yes. Yung world tour kasi parang kakainin niya yung half ng taon next year. So, ayun.
And also, gano'n ka-excited to see all the Filipinos, mga blooms abroad.
Super excited po kami kasi yung ibang lugar na pupunta namin, first time po namin. And first time po namin ma-meet yung ibang mga blooms po na nandun. And yes, may blooms ba doon? Meron po yan. Yes, mga 5.
Alright, one last question. Ano na lang ang wish ng Beanie for 2025?
Wish for us, Beanie, this 2025 is sana we become better persons as individuals and also as a group. And syempre, sana mas madami pa kaming ma-experience in different countries, like performances, different stages, and more awards. And of course, we get to be mentally stronger and physically stronger. Sana wala pong magkasakit ng super serious. Yes. Sakto lang. Yeah, and I hope that we will continue. Sana laging maging strong yung sisterhood namin.
Alright, how about you?
Baka feeling yun.
How about you, Maloy?
Naliplos ako eh.
Sisterhood.
Dapat yan yung name natin, Beanie 2025.
Sisterhood.
Di ba na yun?
Beanie Hood.
How about you, Maloy? May wish ka pa? Hindi naman isa-isa.
Wish for Beanie, I hope na hindi namin makalimutan yung sarili namin this year. Kasi ang daming mangyayari, ang daming work na mangyayari, tours. I hope na magawa pa rin namin yung mga bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa amin and kung sino kami talaga as a person. Yeah.
Girls, Happy New Year again. Thank you so much.